part open. Okay, so what is the next one? The number 3, part number 3 is this. Now go for sketch front plane, sketch, draw axis, and go for sketch. You have to start from here. All the lines should be straight. Now select all, go for mirror, select. We don't have axis, so we draw axis. Select all, go for axis and select this. Okay, this we remove. We draw a single line from this point. Okay, now we give it the dimensions. The dimension from here to here, it is 50, and width of this becomes, from here to here, it is mentioned in the side view. Here you can see it's 25. Dia radius becomes 12.5, and again this is 35. So radius becomes 35 divided by 2. So select this. From this line to this, it is 35 divided by 2. Again from this line to this, it is 38 divided by 2, becomes 19. From here again it is 25. Now from here to here, it is, you can see here, it will be 38. And this becomes 22. Yeah, now it's fully defined. Yes, now we go for, it's fully defined, exit from the sketch, go for revolve. Before that, go for edit. Here what you have to do is edit, remove this axis line. Now exit from the sketch, go for revolve, select axis, make it as 180 degree here. Okay, like this. Okay, now we required one is hole and one more is extrude. So we go for front plane again, or else we go for top, which it is between. So we do extrude now. Go for sketch, make it as normal view, and here we draw axis line on this origin and go for line. We draw a square means rectangle. The height is 5 and diameter is 2, 4 and radius becomes 2. So now you have to select this edge, select this edge, origin. You have to select this edge and this origin and make it as 35. Divided by 2. There it comes. So height is 5, diameter is 2. Then exit. Go for revolve. Click axis. Okay. So like this it comes. So height is 5 mentioned here. Let it be 5 and save this. As PB4. Now what you do is go for front plane. We edit this, exit from the sketch, go for sketch, make it as normal view. Here we copy this hole and here go for edit, copy. Now we go for new sheet, part and select the same plane, front plane, go for sketch and paste it here. Okay, and that's it. Exit from the sketch. Here go for revolve, same as 180 degree, and here you are going to do hole on this, so make it as normal view and draw a circle and give the dimensions from this point to this. It is 25 and the diameter is 4. Now again you have to place from this y-axis 25. Exit, go for cutout. Okay, that's it. Save this as PB5. Now we go for part number 5. Select front plane and draw hexagon. Square. It is square bolt. So delete this and go for square. It is 18 mentioned. Exit, edit again, go for circle, dimension is 10. Go for extrude. This becomes, as mentioned, 6.5. And so click here, tell it to show. Again the length is 75. Select this make it as reverse, go for 75. Now go for circle, select the top face, go for sketch, make it as normal view, draw a circle to make it as chamfer, and go for exit from the sketch and go for cut, extrude, select flip side, and the drafting angle is 60, so it becomes 30 angle from other side. Now go for threading here, select this edge, then go for threading size is 25. The picture is not mentioned, so here go for M10, one mm we go, okay. So save this as PP5. Sorry, it becomes 6. Now let us go for nut. Select front plane, draw hexagon. Okay, select a line, select line, make it as horizontal or vertical. Give the size, as per the formula it becomes 20, and inside dia is 10. Go for extrude and select mid plane. Now give thickness as 8 as mentioned here. Now edit this here, exit, go for sketch, make it as normal view, draw a circle up to this edge, draw a circle, exit. Now go for extrude cut, select flip side, make an angle 60. That's it. You can mirror this chamfer to this side, so select mirror, go for future is cut out, and the mid plane becomes the front plane. So select this face and select front plane. Okay. We go for threading now. Select the edge, then tell OK. Give all parameters. These parameters, metric die, here it comes metric tap, and 10 1-inch pitch. Okay. here you can see this does not cut it, so edit and here offset is not required here, so you need another, make it as reverse and select offset, make it as 0 and give 1 mm and go for 10. Now make this as 10. Let it be 12. Okay, it should be outside, that's all. So after the threading should be like this, the cutout threading should be like this. So save this as nut, PB nut, plumber block nut. So again one more, you have a small nut here, so make this as edit, let us edit this, make it as save as PB nut 1 and edit it for thickness 5. That's all. Save. Now let us go for a new sheet again, part. Okay, now we have to do this shank, means shaft, sorry. So go for front line, draw a circle with a diameter of 25. Exit from the sketch, extrude it for, we make it as middle plane, so extrude it for, okay, 80. That's enough. Save as shaft, save. So now